Hi everyone. So I'm Aditya Sharma. I'll be developing an idea of the title is Scope Protector for the COVID-19 hackathon. I'm going to build the application which will have two functions in it, and basically like explaining to the functionalities. The first functionality is it will be an face detector, face mask detector, sorry, and it will detect if the person has worn face mask or not. Okay, so as everyone knows, as of now, detecting face masks is really important. Everyone has to follow it, and everyone has to wear face masks. So if they are corona victims, they don't affect others, and they don't get affected by other people. So it's like win-win situation for both. So wearing face mask is really important, and people should follow it. But many of them are not doing it. So this functionality will be checking upon people if they have worn, they follow it or not, they wear mask or not. So that is the first part of the application. And the other benefit of this is it can also be used in public area cameras. So like we have cameras in public places, in markets and all, and those places. So these can be used to check if the people are wearing masks and or not, and if they are following the things or not. So that is the first part. It can also be used in offices for for at the gate. This application can be used in cameras. So just checking if the person has worn mask or not, then only he can put his attendance. So that was the functionality of the application. The second functionality comes is it is something similar to Arogya. It helps you coming in close contact with people you don't know, unknown people. Suppose example, you are in a bus. There are many unknown people around you, and unknowingly you come in contact with others. Okay, so just to prevent that, this will help you, like it will help you maintain a 2 feet distance. If the distance gets less than 2 feet, it will start beeping up. Okay, so how that works? It works using Bluetooth. Like in your smartphone, Bluetooth need to be turned on, and if anyone comes in the range of Bluetooth, that is, if anyone comes closer to you less than 2 feet, then your phone will start beeping up. So that is a best part of my application. How uh, how I'll explain it, as like the drawback of Arogya app is it will alert you after you had come in close contact with the coronavirus person. So the problem within Arogya app is uh, you have been victimized. You had come in close contact with the corona affected person, so you have also been affected. Now nothing can be done. You are alerted that you can also be a corona victim. Now you have to go and get checked up. Okay, but in my application the benefit is it alerts you before you come in unknowingly close contact with someone else, so you don't get affected. You can save yourself from getting affected unknowingly. So whenever you are using this application, it will always alert you that you are going to come in close contact with some other person, and it will start beeping you. So you get alerted and you don't come in close contact with anyone. Okay, so that's the best part. Because in Arogya, it will alert you, but after you have come in close contact with the person, that you might also have been affected by that coronavirus person. But in my app, before coming in close contact, it will alert you that you are going to come in close contact with a person. So maintain 2 feet distance with everyone, because as of now maintaining distance with people is the real important thing to fight against coronavirus. So if you want to fight against coronavirus, you have to maintain distance with everyone. So to maintain distance with everyone, you can use this application. It will work at all times, even in at your home, so you don't come in close contact with people. So maintain distance and stay safe. if I'm given a chance, I'll develop this idea for COVID-19 hackathon. Thanks.